Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to record voice memos on Android. Recording voice memos on Android is simple and can be done using the built-in voice recorder app. Here's how to do it. Most of Android devices come with a pre-installed voice recording app. Look for apps like Voice Recorder, Sound Recorder, or something similar in your app drawer. If your phone doesn't have a built-in recorder, you can download one from the Google Play Store. First, open the Voice Recorder app. Tap the record button, usually a red circle, to start recording. Speak into the phone's microphone. The app will capture the audio. Now, to pause the recording, tap the pause button if available. You can resume by pressing record again. When you're done recording, tap the stop button, usually a square icon. This will save your recording automatically. After stopping the recording, you may be prompted to name the memo. Enter a descriptive name if needed, and save the file by tapping save. Your voice memo will save in the app, and you can usually find it in the recording section of the app, and it will redirect you to the list of your recorded voice section. You can play back, rename, or share the voice memo by holding onto it and choosing the share option. This lets you send it via email, messaging apps, or cloud services. By following these steps, you can easily record and manage voice memos on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.